It is both a Carnation coaster and a bouquet. Learn to crochet it in 10 minutes. Yarn, 4-ply cotton. Hook, 2.5 millimeters hook. Magic ring start. Hold the intersection point. Insert the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through this loop. Make 1 chain. This counts as 2 chain stitches. Remove it. These 2 chain stitches count as a standing stitch, not a stitch. Make double crochet stitches into the ring. Yarn over. Insert hook. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. 1 double crochet complete. Beginners, place a stitch marker on the first stitch. For the first round, make 12 double crochet stitches total. Complete on your own. Place a stitch marker on the last stitch when finished. Pull the ring closed. Slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Yarn over. Pull through. Pull through the loop on the right. Pull tight. The slip stitch does not count as a stitch. Round 2. Start with 2 chain stitches. Standing stitch at the beginning of each round does not count as a stitch. In the first stitch, make a double crochet increase. Beginners, place stitch markers at the beginning and end of each round. Finish the remaining stitch of the increase. Then make 1 chain stitch. This completes the first group. Repeat for this round. Double crochet increase, chain stitch until the end. For the second group, in the second stitch, make a double crochet increase. Then 1 chain stitch. 2 groups complete. Repeat the pattern for the rest. There are 12 groups total. Complete on your own. At the end, slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Round 3. Start with 2 chain stitches. In the first stitch, make a double crochet. In the second stitch, make a double crochet increase. Then make 1 chain stitch. Repeat for this round. Double crochet increase, chain stitch until the end. Skip the chain stitch space here. Do not work into it. For the second group, in the next stitch, make a double crochet. In the next stitch, make a double crochet increase. Then make 1 chain stitch. 2 groups complete. Repeat the pattern for the remaining 10 groups on your own. At the end, slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Round 4. Start with 2 chain stitches. Make a double crochet in the first stitch and the second stitch. Make a double crochet increase in the third stitch. Then make 1 chain stitch. Repeat for this round. 2 double crochet increase, chain stitch until the end. Skip the chain stitch space here. Do not work into it. Complete the remaining part on your own. At the end, slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Round 5. Start with 2 chain stitches. First, make 3 double crochet stitches. Make a double crochet increase in the fourth stitch. Then make 1 chain stitch. This completes the first group. Repeat for this round. 3 double crochet increase, chain stitch until the end. Do not repeat the starting chain stitches. Repeat the pattern to complete the remaining motifs. At the end, slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Make 1 chain stitch and fasten off. The main part is complete. Round 6. Switch to green yarn. Insert hook into the first stitch. Pull the yarn through. Start with 1 chain stitch. Work a single crochet in the same stitch. Insert hook and crochet over the yarn tail to hide it. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through these 2 loops on the hook. 1 single crochet complete. Then make 5 chain stitches. then skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make a single crochet, 5 chain stitches. Then skip 2 stitches. The chain stitch space from the previous round counts as a stitch too. In the next stitch, make a single crochet, 5 chain stitches. Repeat this pattern for the rest of the round. At the end, slip stitch to join with the first single crochet. Next, crochet the calyx and leaves. Work entirely within the chain spaces. First chain space, work the calyx. Start with 1 chain stitch. In the chain space, first work a single crochet. Then make 3 chain stitches. Then work a double crochet in the same space. 1 chain stitch. Next, repeat 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch, 2 more times. Then work 1 double crochet. Then make 3 chain stitches. Then work a single crochet in the same space. This set of stitches forms the calyx. The pattern is single crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain, double crochet, 3 chain, single crochet. There are 5 spaces created here. Then work a leaf in the next chain space. In the next chain space, first work a single crochet, then make 7 chain stitches. Insert hook into the back loop of the 4th chain from the hook and make a slip stitch. Then make 3 chain stitches. Work a single crochet in the same original chain space. This forms 1 leaf. Next, repeat alternating 1 calyx and 1 leaf. Crochet 12 groups each of calyx and leaves. At the end, slip stitch to join with the first single crochet of the round. Make 1 chain stitch and fasten off. Next, crochet the flowers. Use white yarn for the first 2 rounds and pink for the last round. You can also use just 1 color for the whole flower. First, make a slip knot. Pull tight. The flowers are crocheted onto the calyx. This is the calyx. Insert your hook into the rightmost chain space from the leaf calyx round. Pull the yarn through. Start with 2 chain stitches. Work 2 double crochet stitches in the same space. Crochet over the yarn tail here to hide it. Work 2 double crochet stitches in each chain space around the calyx. There are 5 spaces total, so you will have 10 stitches. Complete on your own. When working the last double crochet, first, insert hook into the last chain space. Turn the flower around. From the front, simultaneously insert hook through the first chain space of this round. Complete the double crochet stitch. This connects the beginning and end, and the opening gap won't be too large. Slip stitch to join with the first stitch of the round. Round 2. Start with 1 chain stitch. In the first stitch, work 3 single crochet stitches. In this round, work 3 single crochet stitches into each stitch around. You will have 30 stitches total. At the end, slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Make 1 chain stitch and fasten off. Round 3. Switch to pink yarn. Insert hook into the first stitch. Pull the yarn through. Start with 1 chain stitch. Work a single crochet in the same stitch. Place both yarn tails on the hook and crochet over them to hide. Then make 3 chain stitches. Repeat for this round. Single crochet, 3 chain stitches until the end. At the end, slip stitch to join with the first single crochet. Make 1 chain stitch and fasten off. Next, weave in the ends. For ends that were already crocheted over, you can cut them directly. For the remaining ends, use a tapestry needle to weave them in. Insert the needle through 6 or 7 stitches randomly. Try to weave ends into areas of the same color. Trim the excess yarn. Handle the remaining ends the same way. 1 carnation is now complete. Arrange the flower petals by ruffling them a bit. Using the same method, crochet a flower onto each calyx, making 12 flowers total.